It's draw time! Hi friends, welcome to Draw Time. I'm so happy you're here today. Get comfy, wiggle your toes and open your big watching eyes because something very special is about to appear on our paper. Today, we're drawing a beautiful, colourful butterfly. And you get to watch it come to life little by little. Friends, let me ask you a cute question. What colour do you think our butterfly will be first? Red, yellow, blue, or maybe all of them at the same time? I think this butterfly loves every colour in the world because it wants to be extra bright and extra happy. Ha ha ha, silly butterfly. You're going to be so colourful. Do you think our butterfly likes rainbows? I think it does, because rainbows have lots of colours too, just like our butterfly. And we're done. Our butterfly drawing looks amazing and can't wait to be colourful. But before we colour, let's thicken the lines together. See how our butterfly getting ready for all those beautiful colours. Well, haha, look at that. Our butterfly looks like a rainbow dancing on the paper.
Whoa!
It's colouring time. This is my favourite part. So exciting. Colour orange. Look at this wing, friends. It's time to add a bright, happy orange colour. Ooh, orange is such a warm and cheerful colour. It looks like sunshine mixed with a little bit of fun. As I colour slowly, can you imagine our butterfly flying around a sunny garden? Maybe it's saying, "Hello flowers, hello friends." Orange makes our butterfly feel energetic and playful, like it's ready to flap its wings and dance in the air. Let's take our time and make it smooth and nice. Wow, this orange wing looks so happy already. Our butterfly is starting to feel alive.
Whoa!
Colour yellow. All right, friends, let's add yellow to these little circles. Yellow feels like sparkle and fun. Each spot looks like a tiny button or a little candy on the wings. As I colour, imagine our butterfly giggling because the spots are tickling its wings. Colour purple. Now let's move to this beautiful purple wing. Purple is a magical colour, friends. It feels calm, cosy, and a little bit fancy too. As I colour, let's imagine our butterfly flying gently in the sky, nice and slow. Maybe it's flying near the clouds, or maybe it's resting on a flower for a tiny break. Purple makes our butterfly look extra special, like a storybook butterfly. Watch how the colour fills the wing so nicely. Did you see that? Purple is so beautiful colour.
Whoa!
Did you know butterflies love bright, colourful wings? That's why our butterfly looks so happy and magical today. Oh look! Its wings, body and antennae are like tiny magic wands, sparkling and twinkling as it flies. Colour green. Now it's time to colour the butterfly's head with colour green. This is where our butterfly is imagining all the fun it's going to have today. Can you see it thinking really hard? Maybe it's thinking, ooh, which flower should I visit first? Did you know butterflies can see lots of colours with their eyes? I bet our butterfly sees all the beautiful flowers around us. Maybe it even sees a rainbow in the sky. Isn't that silly and amazing? Are you enjoy watching our butterfly drawing, my friends? Colour red. All right, friends. Now it's time for a bright red wing. Red is a strong and exciting colour. It's the colour of love, energy, and big happy feelings. As I colour this wing, imagine our butterfly zooming around happily saying, "Look at me. Look at my beautiful wings." Red makes our butterfly stand out and look super bold. I'm colouring nice and slow, so it looks neat and smooth. Wow! This red wing is full of life. Our butterfly is getting more colourful and more fun with every second. Oh my! The butterfly's little antennae are so wiggly. I think they're doing a tiny funny wave hello to all the bugs in the garden. Imagine our butterfly flapping slowly, making rainbow trails behind it. So silly and pretty. Colour blue. Now let's colour the blue wing, friends. Blue is a cool and relaxing colour. It reminds me of the sky and the ocean. As I colour, imagine our butterfly flying high up in the blue sky, feeling calm and free. Maybe there's a soft breeze helping it glide. Blue makes our butterfly feel gentle and friendly, like it's waving hello to us. Look how nice the blue looks inside the wing. So smooth and pretty. Our butterfly looks very peaceful and happy right now. How about you, my little friend? What is your favorite color? Which color on the butterfly is the happiest? I think all of them. Red, blue, yellow, and green. They make the butterfly giggle and sparkle. I really love our butterfly drawing. It's so colorful, so adorable. It's time for Butterfly's rainbow body. Let's start with color red. Look at that. It's like the butterfly is wearing a tiny red scarf. Next is orange. Orange makes it look so happy, like it's laughing at a funny little joke. She's so cute. Now comes yellow. Yellow is like sunshine. Our butterfly is thinking, yay, I love sunny days. Green is next. Green is so fresh and lively. I imagine the butterfly stretching and saying, I'm ready to fly to the green meadows. Next blue. Blue is so calm and dreamy. Look at these little wiggly things on top of its head. They're so tiny and so cute. And we're colouring them purple and blue, the most magical colours ever. And ta-da! Look at our rainbow butterfly. It's so cute and happy. Did you have fun? If you did, don't forget to subscribe and come back for more silly, giggly, colourful fun with me. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on next video.